The cake is burning! Smoke everywhere! What do we do? It's all ruined, Warrior. We need a new plan. I got it. Ooh! Let's bake again. Yes! Fast, fast! I got the flour! I found sugar! Oops! I dropped it! Max, look at this mess! Careful with the egg! I am being careful. Oh no! Shell inside! Take it out quickly! Careful, don't spill now. Ooh! It looks good! Finally! This time it will work! Yes, no more mistakes. Is it rising? I think, yes. Wait, what is that smell? Not burning again, right? Why is it making noise? Stay back, just in case. It worked! It worked! We did it! Best cake ever! We saved it! Careful, don't drop it! I'm right behind you. Slowly, don't shake it, I'm watching. I'm watching. I'm watching. We did it safely. Good job. More balloons here. Woo! Make it beautiful. It popped. That scared me. The window opened. Woo! Close it fast! Quick, quick! I got them! It looks so nice! Perfect surprise! Did you hear that? Are they here? I'm scared. Wait, don't move. Why no one coming? Something feels strange. Maybe it was nothing. Let's check carefully. Should we open it? Wait, something feels strange. Wait. It opened. No one is there? No one outside.
That's creepy.
That's creepy. Did you hear that? The cake! That was close. Very close.
We're home!
Hello, kids.
A surprise! Nice!
Happy anniversary!
Oh my goodness!
This is amazing. Best day ever.
We did